that water good, huh? Is that water good? Where are you going? No, you're not getting the toy.
Oh, so this is made for like...
Come on. Cyrus, here. Get in. What's that? Alright, put them on the other side. There's another door over there. Watch this. Take this pin right here and go over there. Throw it over there in that grass. Techno, go over there. Don't throw it. Right, there you go. Now you can throw it. Throw it out there.
Yeah, it's cool though.
We threw that pin. Oh.
What's that thing on his neck? Yeah, it's a chain. It looks like that black thing. Wait, he knows what the pen smells like?
Yep.
That's sweet.
Is it called?
Yeah, he is.
Get back there. Back over here, okay?
Get back, Ryder. Are you trying to get back?
There, see?
Found it.
That was pretty cool.
Ryder, back up.
You can throw keys out there and I'll go fight them. Come on. Wow. Yeah. Air conditioner. Get in there.
What's that thing with this says tower?
This is what, bud?
This says tower.
Radar detector. Radar.
Oh, it tells you how fast you're
Tell
going.
you how fast you're going.
Tell them thank you.
Thank you.
You're
you all
welcome,
that.
guys.
Move. How long are your sirens?
How long are they? What do you mean?
Like,
Real long.
David's very interested in this.
yeah,
There's
you
our
do.
taser.
No, don't touch
Ryder.
it. Don't touch it. Okay.
His name's Ryder.
Come here, Ryder.
Yeah, we call him Red Ryder. Just Ryder.
Wait a minute. Get in there.
No.
You don't want to get in? Come here, I'm going to let you drive. You don't want to drive?
Oh, you drive daddy's? You act like you're driving daddy's car
Ready?
all the time? James, get in there. Ask him if you smell. See what it's like.
I want to see what it's like.
He's not going to arrange you.
I don't know.
Look at that. Uh-oh.
Loud, huh?
He's on duty. He's coming after you guys.
No, I'm not. No,
What?
Dad don't be saying
What?
that.
Daddy gonna put you down.
I'm here
What?
to help you. not hurt you.
He's gonna let Daddy sit. Want Daddy get in there?
Daddy's crazy.
Sure, it won't be your first time getting in one either.
Be quiet now. Quiet.
All right, guys. You guys have a good day.
Thank you a lot.
You're welcome, man.
Have a good day.
Hey,
You too.
nice meeting you, Billy.
You too. Take care, guys.
Nice meeting you, Billy. Don't forget.
Okay. I'll tell you, he's going
So let's
bye-bye.
start walking to the car.